Hi, this is Phalla from khmertutor.com. Today, I will review Khmer vowel first and second series. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribe, like, give a comment, and click the bell icon for notification when I upload new lesson. Here are the procedure I will use in this lesson. First, I will say the first vowel series. Then, I will say the second vowel series. And next, I will say first and second vowel series. And finally, you will get an example for each vowel. So in this section, I will say the first vowel. You will follow me or you can repeat after me. Okay? Let's begin. A, E, I, O, O, U, Good. Now I will say the second series vowel. E, I, E, U, 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 Okay. Now I will say both. A, I, E, I, I, U, U, O, U, O, U, U, And now I will give you one example for each vowel. Let's begin. A for ta, ear for year, A for state, I for year, A for bay, E for pea, for puck, U for duck, for bompong bird, for cư chìa, O for top, U for tuk, O for go, U for tu, U for sewer, R for đờ, for meal. And that is the first review of Khmer vowel first and second series. I hope you found my video is useful and don't forget like, subscribe, give a comment, click the bell icon for notification when I upload the new lesson. If you want to take private Khmer class with me, go to my website khmertutor.com and send me a message. Thank you for watching. Bye.